Standard 7th subject Social Science. Chapter number 7 India Location, Border Area and Physiography. Part 2. In part 1, we have learned about the meaning of border, location, area and physiography. As we know that India is located in Asian continent on the earth and it is surrounded by many borders of the other countries. Its area is 32,87,263 square kilometers and its physiography is divided in 6 parts, that is northern mountain range, plains, central and Deccan plateaus, coastal plains, islands and Indian deserts. As we have learned about northern mountain ranges, now we are going to learn about plains of North India in our part 2. Plains means a flat land on which people can live easily and suitably. The plains of southern of the northern mountain range are formed by alluvium brought by Himalayans and peninsular rivers. Alluvium is a metal or material present in the land due to Himalayan ranges and peninsular rivers. This covers the vast area of northern India. In this map, the part surrounded by brown color are the plains of India, in means which persons can live suitably, and that is why the plains are known as plains of northern India, because it comes from the rivers and Himalayan ranges. The plain made by the rivers are so vast that it is one of the largest plain in the world formed by the rivers. Due to its vastness of these plains, it is one of the most prosperous and populated area of India. That means in North India, the upper part of North India, which contains states like Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Delhi, Bihar, Jharkhand, etc. These all are the states which contain plains. The rivers which are available in India are Chenab, Satluj, Gomti, Ganga, Yamuna. As you can see that there are more rivers on the northern India. That's why the plains or land in northern India are more fertile and it is main source of water. Therefore, there are more population in northern India. Next, we are learning about plateaus of India. What does plateau means? In this picture, you can see that there are mountains of green colors. Plains means flat land where you can stay. Then coastal plains, the lands near the sea. And there are plateaus, that means higher level of plains. The central and Deccan plateaus lies to the north-southern plains of North India. What does Deccan means? In ancient India, the southern part of India was known as Deccan. Therefore, the higher land forms present in southern India are known as Deccan plateaus. It is called peninsula and it is the oldest landmass of rock. The Narmada Valley and the Son River are located in this plateaus. This plateau is further divided in two parts, Malwa Plateau to north and Deccan Plateaus to south. The soil is not very fertile, but because it is black, this area yields a variety of crops and it is also a treasure house of many minerals. As you can show that there is no flat land, but due to its land form or its situation, there is black soil available in these parts and it is suitable for many crops like groundnuts, and it also has many minerals. In next part we will learn about coastal plains, that means the plains or the land near the sea coast, archipelagoes, island and desert. Thank you.